Murshidabad is known and famous for history. This is a place full of historical legacy and characters. Perhaps, if you are imaginative enough, there is a story written on each and every site that you too can read. Hi, what's up, guys? Hope you all are keeping well. This video will be highly beneficial for you if you are in love with history like me. Moreover, if you have time constraint and want to visit Murshidabad in a day, then you are at right place. So एक दिन में क्या क्या देख सकते हैं मुर्शिदाबाद में, वो मैं बताऊंगी इस वीडियो में. Along with that, I would share little bit of details about the history associated with each places. So let's get started. Hajardwari Palace is the main attraction of Murshidabad, a palace of 1000 doors in which 900 doors are real and 100 are fake. The palace was constructed by British government after 72 years of Sirajuddaullah's death. Means Sirajuddaulah ने कभी ये palace देखा ही नहीं था. It has a very unique style of architecture. It's been converted into a museum since 1985. The Hajardwari Palace Museum is regarded as the biggest site museum in Archaeological Survey of India. It will take minimum 2 hours to explore the entire museum. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मिलेगा. लाइक हियर यू कैन सी मैजिक मिरर, जिस मिरर में खुद का फेस नहीं दिखता. देन यू कैन सी द स्काई इनसाइड द म्यूजियम, बट बारिश नहीं गिरेगा ऊपर से क्योंकि उसको यूनिक मेथड में बनाया गया है. ऐसा बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग म्यूजियम में है, सो डोंट मिस इट. टाइमिंग्स आर 9 AM to 5 PM. फोटोग्राफी इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड इनसाइड द म्यूजियम. बाहर फोटोज ले सकते हैं. यू विल गेट टिकट्स ऑनलाइन फ्रॉम हियर. ऑफलाइन टिकट्स वेर अवेलेबल बिफोर पैंडेमिक. Remember, do not visit Murshidabad on Fridays since everything is closed on Fridays. Imambara just इसके opposite है. It remains closed always. Only at the time of Muharram they open it for 10 days. There is a clock tower between Hajardwari Palace and Imambara. बच्चे वाली तोप is also located between Hajardwari Palace and Imambara. All these three places have interesting history. It's better to hire a guide who can explain everything. Guide will charge only 100 rupees for all 4 places. इसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे लंच ब्रेक पे क्योंकि आफ्टरनून हो गया है. So this is the best restaurant of Murshidabad. I have already posted a video on this. You will get the link in the I button. तो आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस रेस्टोरेंट. यहाँ पे इतना अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में फूड मिलता है. इसका एम्बियंस बहुत अच्छा है, फूड क्वालिटी टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है. सो आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस प्लेस. ज़रूर वीडियो देख लीजिएगा, आई बटन में दिया हुआ है लिंक. तो अभी हम पहुँच गए हैं अजीमुनीसा बेगम टॉम्ब पे, जिसको कलीजा खा की बेगम समाधि भी बोलते हैं. नाउ देयर इज़ अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्ट्री एसोसिएटेड विद दिस प्लेस. Ajimunisa Begum was the daughter of Nawab Murshid Quli Khan. People believe that she used to eat liver of children in order to get cured from a disease. तो जब ये heinous crime के बारे में पता चला, then her husband buried her alive at this place. However, some people totally disagree from this story. Whatever the truth is, this place is a beauty during evening and definitely worth the visit. Apart from her grave, one can see a beautiful garden on top and the remains of a mosque. यहाँ पे मुर्शिद कुली खां की समाधि भी रखी हुई है. तो ये यहाँ पे आप फोटोग्राफी कर सकते हैं और इवनिंग के टाइम पे आते हैं तो दिस इज़ अ आइडियल प्लेस फॉर फोटोग्राफी. नाउ यहाँ से हम लोग चलेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन पे, जो कि है नोशीपुर राज पैलेस, नोशीपुर राजबाड़ी. Noshipur Palace is also a famous tourist place. The palace is used like a museum. There are guides as well inside the palace. Photography is strictly prohibited here too. बाहर photography कर सकते हैं. There are temples inside. It would take maybe 30 minutes to see the palace. there is a serious need of maintenance of this palace. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बंगाली टीवी सीरियल का शूटिंग हुआ है, बट रिपेयर की ज़रूरत है इस पैलेस को। अगर आप मुर्शिदाबाद ट्रेन से आते हैं तो यहाँ साइट सीइंग के लिए अगर कार हायर भी नहीं करते हैं तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा एक्सप्लोर करने में, क्योंकि बहुत सारा टोटो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है विच यू कैन बुक फॉर द एंटायर डे, और अलग अलग टोटो भी ले सकते हैं एक से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए at a very nominal cost. All these places are very nearby to each other, so very quickly you can explore all these places. और during evening this place is ideal for photography, तो photography कर सकते हैं, तो इसको मिस मत कीजिए, यहाँ पे ज़रूर विजिट कीजिए. Now we will move to our next destination which is Kathgola Bagan. Kathgola Bagan is one of my favorite place in Murshidabad. Kathgola Bagan consists of huge garden, main building, guest building, kitchen turned restaurant, secret tunnel, pond, temple and a mini zoo. Hence I highly recommend this place. When Murshidabad was the capital of Bengal, many Rajasthani Jain families settled here as merchants and moneylenders. Kathgola is one such residence of a Rajasthani Jain family. I suggest you to hire a guide for nominal charge who can shed light on the history of this sprawling property. It will take time to explore the entire property क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है, but यहाँ पे भी photography prohibited है. Outside property photos you can take. This is the main palatial residence. अंदर पुराने ज़माने के सिटिंग रूम, डाइनिंग रूम, बेल्जियम ग्लास मिरर्स, बेड्स, वुडन फर्नीचर्स, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर कॉइन्स, वेपन इत्यादि है. देयर इज ऑल्सो वेरी लार्ज फैमिली किचन of its kind which operates as a restaurant now. Visitors can have refreshment here. Then there is a guest house also. Being Rajasthani Jains, the family also built Adinath Jain temple made of white marble, which is a total delight to eyes. बट ये टेम्पल जो है वो 5 PM क्लोज हो जाता है. और यहाँ पे भी टेम्पल के अंदर छोटा सा एक गार्डन टाइप किया हुआ है, तो आई सजेस्ट कि आप काठगोला बागान थोड़ा जल्दी जाए. एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड भी है विच इज़ आइडियल फॉर फोटोग्राफी. जब इस पॉन्ड में पैलेस का रिफ्लेक्शन आता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है दिखने में. तो ज़रूर सनसेट के एटलीस्ट 1 आवर पहले आइए यहाँ पे. In the garden, there is a circular altar with sitting area for dance performances. Girls used to perform here during those days. There is a locked staircase which goes into an underground tunnel which used as a secret passage by the family for secret transportation. This place has a strong connection with House of Jogat Sheth. वो हमें बाद में पता चला जब हम वहाँ पे गए, वहाँ के गाइड ने हमें बताया. तो ओनर है वो शायद जगत सेठ के कोई रिलेटिव्स है, तो उनको इन्होंने गिफ्ट किया था. मिनी जू हैज़ ऑल्सो बिन सेटअप विथ वेराइटीज ऑफ बर्ड्स मेनली. डू हैव अ लुक एट दिस जू. आई एम श्योर बर्ड लवर्स विल बी हैप्पी टू एक्सप्लोर दिस लिटिल जू. Kathgola Bagan is too good for photography and will take time to explore, hence go there prior to sundown. All in all, this place worth visiting while you are in Murshidabad. Now let's move to our final destination. House of Jagat Sheth is open till late. That's why you can come to this place after visiting all other points. Here is an interesting fact that Jagat Sheth is not a name of a particular person. The person who looked after the accounts of the Bengal during the Nababi period were given the title of Jagat Sheth. So this house belongs to them. Now it holds as a museum storing several precious items. One can also find several secret tunnels inside the house which connected to Kadgola Bagan and other places, and also an underground room. We were not allowed to take any snaps inside the house, however, they allow us to carry our mobile phones and cameras. The museum has coins of those era Banarasi saris with gold and silver thread work, weapons, etc. However, there are no markings on the displayed objects, so it's not possible for a visitor to know what belongs to whom. So you have to hire a guide to understand the details of the things displayed in the museum. Guide also told us so many unknown facts, so do hire a guide. Murshidabad now stands as a glorious reminder of the past. When you visit here, you will realize that this is not a regular world. Time seems to stand still and you may lost yourself in the history. Hope you guys find this video informative. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another interesting video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.